When nausea's got you down and out, Reliefband is here to help. Whether it's from a car ride, cruise, pregnancy, anxiety, chemotherapy, a migraine, or even a hangover, the Reliefband works differently than anything you've tried before. The gentle pulses generated by the device interact naturally with the nervous system, avoiding the negative side effects of anti-nausea drugs and the inefficiency of acupressure bands. Start by finding the right spot on the underside of either wrist. Place your index and middle fingers at the base of your wrist. The area directly next to your index finger is the location where the contact should be placed. Apply a small drop of conductivity gel to your wrist. Spread it in a circle roughly the size of a large coin until it creates an even sheen. This gel allows the therapy to penetrate the skin and stimulate the median nerve, and also ensures the most comfortable experience. Hold the Reliefband Sport and place the contact pads onto the gel you just added to the underside of the wrist. Then, fasten the device snugly. To turn on the device, press and hold the power button on your Reliefband Sport for about 3 seconds. Your device will go into waiting mode by flashing a blue light from left to right until the power button is pressed. Use the power button to turn the therapy levels up until you reach the most comfortable setting. You should feel a light tingling in your palm and/or middle fingers. This signals that the device is positioned correctly. You may need to slightly adjust the position of the contact pads. The device will go back into waiting mode after increasing past level 6. When you're done using the Reliefband, simply hold the power button down for 3 seconds to turn off the therapy. When the device is in low power mode, blue and yellow lights will flash. To indicate critical low battery, which is 4 hours or below, blue and red lights will flash. The Reliefband Sport is unlike any wearable of its kind. The Sport model is the first waterproof Reliefband with an IPX7 rating. And with smart sensing technology, the Sport will turn off after 60 seconds when not touching the skin to preserve battery life. Reliefband, for life's uncomfortable moments.